در هم بر هم شو. این قسمت آموزش درست کردن پیتزا ایتالیایی. سابسکرایب و لایک یادتون نره دوستان.
Why do 87% of pizza enthusiasts agree that homemade pizza just hits different? Because it's made with love and a little bit of chaos. Today we're diving into the art of making authentic Italian pizza from scratch. First up, the dough. Mix flour, yeast, salt, and water until it's smoother than a jazz playlist. Let it rise like a loaf of bread's big fluffy cousin. Next, the sauce. Grab some ripe tomatoes, garlic, basil, and a splash of olive oil. Simmer it down until your kitchen smells like a trattoria in Naples. Now it's time to assemble. Roll out your dough to a perfect circle, or an odd oval if you're an abstract artist. Spread that sauce like you're painting a masterpiece. Cheese lovers, this is your moment. Heap on the mozzarella and maybe sneak in some parmesan. Add your favorite toppings. Just remember, less is more. Pop it in a blistering hot oven. Bake until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbly. And there you have it, folks. Authentic Italian pizza, ready to make your taste buds dance. Buon appetito!